Here's the next part of the Laverda rebuild. Cleaned up the cylinders, cleaned up the barrel there. I've put the new rings in place. I've honed, given it a light hone on both of the bores here. Put the rings in place, and I've measured the gaps at the top, in the middle and the bottom in both bores, and they're both well within spec, so I can get those on the pistons. Just waiting for some gaskets so I can get that all put together. Gives me a bit of time to work on the head. I've cleaned up the valves, I've cleaned up the combustion chambers a bit. Just going to do a bit of lapping on these. There's a couple of little marks on some of the seats, so I've got a little bit of work to do on those. But the valves seem to sit in the guides okay. There's very little movement on the head. I've got to put a clock on there to try and measure the sideways movement. You can see it's in on that one. And within the spec that's in the handbook. Got some parts from Andy Wagner, so I've got some new valve stem seals, I've got new rubber there, I've got a new cam flange. I've also put on some new bearings so I can get all that put together once I've got this done. So I'll get that all cleaned up, get it all washed, polish the tops again, and I'll be able to put the cams back in, and we'll take it from there.